Hey guys, today we are putting together twice baked potatoes and we're doing this for a crowd. And I'm going to show you my process. You want to start by thoroughly washing your potatoes. Then you want to vent each potato by piercing them with a knife or a fork. Massage them with olive oil, then season them with kosher salt. We're going to bake these at 400 degrees for 1 hour or until they're tender. We have allowed our potatoes to cool. Now we're going to remove the flesh from the potato. To remove your flesh, you want to cut your potatoes in half lengthwise. Then you want to gently remove the flesh by scooping it out with a spoon, being careful not to go too deep. To prepare our filling, we're going to transfer our potatoes into a large boiler over a low heat. We're going to begin mashing them using a potato masher. Now feel free to use a mixer, and it does make it a lot easier. However, I feel I have more control not to over whip the potatoes by using a handheld potato masher. To loosen things up, I'm going to add half and half and evaporated milk, and then I'm going to continue mixing. Now let's get into some flavor. Add 1 stick of butter. Yep, the whole stick. We're working with a lot of potatoes. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video this far. If so, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Leave me some comments down below. And let's continue with our twice baked potatoes. Thank you. To be quite honest with you, I don't measure when it comes to my mashed potatoes and baked potatoes. I just get my seasonings in there by eyeballing it, and it's all to taste. So just take a look at some of the seasonings I'm using. Okay, I don't know about you, but for me, a baked potato, I have to have my sour cream. So I am taking some Lipton Secret Soup Mix and I'm mixing it with some sour cream, and I'm going to add that to my filling. And we're going to get that all mixed in there. And lastly, we're just going to load our potatoes up with some cheese. Use the cheese of your choice. Today I am using Sharp and mozzarella. Add some parsley to the mix, and our filling is ready. So you want to start by filling your piping bag with the filling. And this is going to make it easy and quicker to get your shells filled. Now we're just going to take some shredded cheese and we're going to add those on top of our potatoes, followed by some bacon bits. And then we're going to sprinkle a little parsley on top of that. Now guys, this dish is a make ahead dish. So I'm not going to bake these off today. I'm going to take some plastic wrap and I'm going to wrap my potatoes up very well and I'm going to refrigerate them. And when I'm ready to bake them the next day, I am going to take them out and let them become room temperature, pop them into the oven and let the cheese melt and let the potato get good and hot. And our dish is ready. This is a very good make ahead dish for a party. Guys, I thank you so much for sharing your time with me today, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and you find it informative. And always remember to keep life simple. And we will see you on the next one. Bye for now.